How to permanently close a Yelp business listing. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. For that you must need to watch this video till the very end and follow the following steps. So first of all you need to log into your Yelp account. Using the account that manages the business listing you need to log into it. After that navigate to the business account. Click on your profile picture on the drop down menu in the top right corner and select for the account settings or business account. Now, find a business, go to the business information section or search for your business and listing. Now, edit business information. Click on the option to edit business information. Mark business as closed. Look for an option to mark the business as permanently closed. This might be under a section like business status or similar. Now, submit the changes. After marking the business as closed, save and submit the changes. If you face any difficulties or need further assistance, you can contact Yelp support directly for help with the closing of your business listing. So that's how you can do it pretty simply. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.